So we're back. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Hope you're well. Hope you're well. Straight into it. No messing. Trainer drop coming your way. Boosh. Some of you are not going to be surprised. It's Adidas box. Still got beef with Nike, but I won't go into it. If you want to know why I got beef with Nike, check out the video just here. But anyway, let's go on. And it's a 500. Hey. Okay. Yeah, it's a 500 high. Is it a misty stone or was it mist? I don't know, man. You know me, I always get confused with these ones, yeah? So here we are. So it's a 500 high now. Let's see. I'm still stuck. Yeah, I'm still stuck. Okay, so out of the box, yeah, I'm undecided. But first, what I do actually like, because you know how I feel about this at the frozen ice. Like, I forget their name, and then they were like some, I don't know. I wanted to like them. I really did want to like them, and you know we caught them and we're good. But I was struggling. Now, firstly, I need to ask you a question: does these look big? Do they look big? Because the guys decided to order a UK 10.5, a 10.5. So it's basically a size and a half up from what I normally am. So it'd be really good to see what it's like on the foot on, because these are just a nightmare to get on. Like from the last ones, they're just a nightmare to get on. But once they're on, they are comfortable. They do snug your feet. And it's that winter season, right? So autumn, winter season. So these are just made for it. I do like the undersole. I do like, you know, the creamy here, and I do like the, you know, the light grey of, you know, the midsole here. I like that. Again, you know, those notes, one of the guys must have posted in the comments, you know, for mud and stuff like that, to just rub it off. But what is different is the suede on this. Like, it's just like really nice suede, and it's not just on the front here, it's in between the laces here, and then we've got the premium leather running alongside and up along the whole of the trainer. Literally, it's like a suede magnet, which only bugs me, yeah, because obviously it's autumn, winter, fall, fall, whatever, if you're in the States. And you got suede, man. You know, it's a bit like Elvis, don't step my blue suede shoes. Don't step on any suede shoes at all. And I don't know how the suede's gonna cope in the rain or whatever. But any of you trainer heads know who love your trainers, you're gonna have some protection on them. Hey, I'm waiting out for some sponsors on that one before I mention what ones we use. But yeah, listen, it's got the infinity laces in the box. You also get the normal laces as well. One of these days, I'm gonna actually take off the infinity laces and just have it, you know, straight up with the normal laces, just to see how they roll. But I do like it. Oh, these are kind of different still. Yeah, actually, yeah, no, it feels good. It feels good. I like the colours. I like the misty stone colours. Again, of the 500 highs, I like these. I do like these. Actually, I do like the 500s, you know. I'm totally in love with my Toupe lights, rocking them just about every other time I get an opportunity to. So there's, so there is to like about, and they are comfortable. Like for real, I wear my 500 lows like all, well, I don't even know 500 lows, just 500s. I wear them all the time, like literally whenever I can, I just bang them on. They're just comfortable and just all day wear, you know, all day wear. But yeah, we'll talk about all day. Anyway, I won't go on. I won't get distracted. But yeah, I like these. What do you guys think? You know, it's a different colorway. It's not, you know, it's not the grey, the beige on the blue like the Frozens were. It's not, you know, the dark tones and then the red and the orange like those There's other dead ones where, you know, these are nice and they would fit with a lot of outfits. Well, I can see you rocking these with just about anything. The thing about these, which I think, I've made up my mind, I like these because the colorway is different. It's not so in your face. I love these chunky soles on these. That's what I'm telling you. I like my 500 because these chunky soles, no one, just me. It's actually really soft. It's really soft considering. So just here as part of the midsole, really, it's like soft to the touch. But obviously here where you're going to be kicking, scuffing stuff, it's hard. It's solid. And obviously on the undersole itself, it's solid and it's hard. I love these, man. I still love the markings underneath them. Looks like alien wear, you know. Yeah, I've got non-marking. I still don't know what they mean by the non-marking. Any of you guys that know out there, hit us up because I don't know what they mean by non-marking. I ain't do no research on that. It's not my bag. But yo, man, let's go straight onto the on foot. So what do you think? Cop, drop, for me, and I think for any Yeezy fans out there, these are a cop. Like, no other, like, even non-Yeezy fans. Why? I've got it right. We managed to get the perfect fit for these. So on the 500 highs, 100%, 110% go 1.5 up. 1.5 up on your size. Like, no other lie. Because obviously generally in Yeezys you go half a size up anyway. And then in some of them, 350s for example, I go a full size up. Right? On the 700s, maybe half a size up because they're quite comfortable anyway and they're not that tight. But these 500 highs, you have to go a 1.5 because, you know, the others that we've done the foot on, never really managed to get it right. You know, we've always ordered up a full size up or half a size. It's still a nightmare to get on your feet. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, it's still a nightmare to get on your feet. But I like the infinity laces and it makes it awkward. But then, you know me, I don't like tying the laces anyway, so it works out right. But for these with the full size and a half up, so I'm a 9, these are a 10.5 UK, they were perfect. They were absolutely perfect. These are all day wear. And the full, a size and a half up, it's all day wear. All day wear without fail because my toes feel free. As you know, guys, I got fat feet, so my toes are still feeling free. And you know, I was wearing like trainer socks as well, so they were even thinner. But imagine, you know, these are intended for, you got some thick socks. These are banging. So I cop these and cop these a size and a half up. No long thing, just do it straight. Literally, you just do it because they're just worth a cop. For real. Okay, that's me done. I've got next shoe coming right up.